This video is for users of United Kingdom crochet terms. If you prefer United States terms, click link to the video at the top of your screen. Most parts of amigurumi toys start from the magic circle that includes some number of double crochet stitches. Fix yarn tail with thumb and wrap yarn around index finger, middle finger and ring finger. Cross the yarn coming from the ball over the yarn tail on the back of palm and fix the yarn here with little finger. Then take a hook and insert its tip through the circle of yarn as shown. Grab the yarn coming from the ball and pull the yarn through the circle. Change the position of downward-faced hook to upward. Wrap the yarn around the hook. With the yarn gripped in the lip of the hook, draw a loop of yarn through the loop on the hook. There is completed slip knot on the shank of the hook. Remove the circle from your fingers and leave it open. This is a magic ring. Make sure the slip knot is tight enough on the hook that it won't fall off, but not so tight that you can easily slide it along the hook's shank. Then fix the circle of yarn with thumb and index finger as shown. It's important to leave some free space near the slip knot. Now it's time to work the first round of double crochet stitches into the magic ring. Insert hook into center of circle working over the yarn tail as shown. Place the hook over the working yarn. Then grab the yarn from above and draw it through the circle. There are now 2 loops on hook. Place the hook over the working yarn and draw it through both loops on hook. 1 loop remains on the hook now. You have made 1 double crochet stitch in the magic ring. Repeat these steps in order to work the necessary number of double crochet stitches your pattern requires. Let's count the total number of completed double crochet stitches. Extend the loop to prevent it from unraveling. Take the loop off the hook. Take the detail as shown and look at it from above. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Don't count the loop on the hook. When all the required stitches are worked into circle, pull the yarn tail gently to tighten the magic circle. This is a completed magic circle for some patterns, but some patterns require to join the magic circle. Working the slip stitch to first double crochet stitch is the most popular way to close the magic circle. Let's work this slip stitch. Insert the hook under both loops at the top of the first stitch of the round. Place the hook over the working yarn. Then draw a loop back through the stitch and through the loop on the hook. The slip stitch is finished and the magic circle is joined. There are different names of magic circle in the crochet tutorials and patterns. They are magic ring, magic loop, amigurumi ring, adjustable ring and adjustable loop. You should also know the abbreviations and symbols of double crochet stitch and slip stitch that are used in patterns.